Alright, hey you guys, thanks for clicking on my video. We got some juicy tea that I'm spilling here with this pink motherfucking hair. So y'all, let's get into it. And oh yeah, pause this video, subscribe to my channel, like this video, and if you're not, hit that motherfucking notification bell so you can be notified every time your girl comes through on your screen. So with that being said, y'all, Happy New Year. Let's go ahead and get into this. Alright.
Looking cause she mine, girl. She for me. Fall off, she gon' hold it down. Please believe. Firearm, we roll around in the streets. When I get home, it's going down.
Right,
in the sheet,
go ahead and moisturize my face. So y'all, December was like kind of rough for me. Talking about like my weight loss a lot, and I stopped talking about my boutique and things like that because like I feel like once I started talking about it, people started like having negative shit to say, and I wasn't getting the support that I thought I would get. And it's 2019. I'm not gonna be ashamed of nothing I do. I'm not gonna hide everything. I don't put everything out there because I just don't. So I'm gonna use some Honey Do Me Up. I'm gonna moisturize my face. I'm not really gonna use a primer because I ain't really going nowhere. I'm gonna end up slapping this shit right off my face after I go get my kids and all that other shit. So here, I went back home for Christmas. Everybody know I'm from Florida, like Miami, Hollywood area, Miami, Miramar, Hollywood area. So I was born in Hollywood, Florida. Right now I live in Texas, military town, Fort Hood. And got a little bit of wine. Yeah, I've been here 8-9 years. Like, I done had friends, I don't have friends. I done had a man, I don't got a man, and yeah, I'm bored. Supposed to leave in 2018. We're supposed to leave that shit out in 2018. Motherfuckers still acting dumb. People still cheating. Famous people still sliding in people DMs that they ain't supposed to be sliding in. No shade, but hey. I've just been always to myself. I haven't like really been working as I supposed, like how I'm supposed to be working. Things haven't been going how they were supposed to go for me because it's my fault. I don't be following through with everything. I get a gig or I get something and then I be so pumped about it, and then I don't know, I just be like, okay, maybe, you know. Or I don't hear from the people no more, or, you know. But yeah, like I was saying, I was not at my best in December. Like, to be honest, I really wasn't feeling myself. I really wasn't feeling my best. Okay, I'm gonna get back on it. And fast forward, here I am today. Trying to get back on my grind and get stuff going. Like, I feel like if my other channel was never deleted, I will be so much further. But hey, that's God's plan, you know. I ain't mad at it. So long story short, follow your dreams. You gotta be positive. And I think a lot of times, because I always think the worst, like some negative shit, I'm always like, well damn, this ain't going right because I feel like I ain't good enough. This company ain't choosing. Like, and then, you know, like, everybody's timing is gonna come. You feel me? Like, it be new bitches that just started, like, last week, and they get the deals and brands before some of us people who've been putting in work for years. And sometimes I feel like that's not fair, but hey, maybe they see something in them that they don't see in me or you. Maybe God didn't have that deal for you, you know? So, now I just learned to take stuff lightly, and you want to succeed and you want to do this, maybe you need to create your own product. Become your own boss. Don't work for nobody else. So, with that being said, that's when I was like, okay, I'm doing my own plus size line. And then that shit, it was getting too hectic. Like, I ordered a few pieces and I got samples. I have some items, but I'm like, I ain't got time for it. Okay, let me rewind. Before I even came back to YouTube, I had a salon. I had 2 salons at one time. And I thought I was never going to talk about this. But I shut my shit down because bitches love drama. Bitches think that, oh, I can do this better than that person, or this person ain't got clients, this and that. Long story short, it was drama and I ain't have time for it, so I shut both of my salons down. And I know a bitch out there that's gonna be like, nah, I made her shut it down. Bitch, you ain't stopped shit. Okay, so please don't, please don't. And then that's when I was like, fuck it, I'm gonna get back into YouTube. I'm gonna start posting on my IG and I'm gonna start doing this. And then when 2018 is when at the end of 2018, I guess, I don't know, people started fucking with me. And one day I look up, I got sent a few things from a few companies. And that was that. Now I'm just like, I want to be my own brand. I'm my own person. You know? So now, I got a surprise for y'all motherfuckers. Especially all my plush babies like me. I got something especially for us. Y'all gonna be fucking with it. So yeah, sneaking in this room where I record and keep all my makeup and stuff down. And I sneak up on her and be like, what you doing? She has like a brush and stuff. I'm like, girl, you only 2. What are you doing? So, like I was saying, like, I ain't letting nobody discourage me this year. I ain't letting nobody tell me, oh, what I'm doing don't matter. Because somebody out there is listening. Somebody out there is watching. So, you got a passion for something and you can do it, do it. Like, my makeup may not be the best. My video quality may not be the best. My editing may not be the best. But hey, you don't like it, click the fuck off. That's just how I'm gonna be. Like, I'm not holding my tongue. I'm not holding back shit no more. I'm not sparing nobody's feelings. I mean, to a certain extent. Like, I'm not just gonna. So, with that being said, some YouTubers that's big, I think y'all need to just sit y'all ass down. Like, y'all been on here since 2001. Let other people get their shine. Like, then they be acting like it's a big fucking secret to, oh, working with this person or how you do this. Why the fuck y'all act like that? Why? It's not that serious, sis. Like, damn. That's why I don't ask nobody shit. Like, I asked one person, I can honestly say that I asked, and they fucking replied back was Yanni Rose. That's the only fucking person that I asked something. Like, everybody else I be hearing about, oh, they this, they that. And everybody keeps saying the same thing about this one person, and 9 times out of 10, they're not lying. So, like, my little brother, I don't know, I love him to pieces. I love my mom to pieces. Without, like, it was just us 3 together. That's, and, oh yeah, I'm on the subject talking about my brother. He has his own cable company. I'm gonna insert something somewhere around this motherfucking screen. It's called JV Enterprise. His cable is through like your Fire Stick, but he has his own cable boxes as well. Only thing you need is some internet. And his fucking service is only $12 a fucking month. Like, I don't have cable. Like, I watch every fucking show, every fucking new movie that comes out. I'm telling y'all, I'm gonna leave his information in the description, and I'm gonna put something here so you guys can see about his cable service. Let me get one more puff of this gas. Like, I know some people be like, girl, you smoking and drinking on these. Look, I'm gonna be me. I'm tired of not speaking my mind or saying how I feel to fucking accommodate or to not hurt a bitch feelings. But half the time y'all hoes don't give a fuck about my feelings, so why should I give a fuck about y'all's? I used to want to be a rapper so bad back in the day. I thought I could rap. Bitch, I ain't got the rhythm for that. Nah, I don't have the rhythm. Like, trying to look into this damn screen and do this is so fucking hard. That's why y'all catch me over here looking at my damn... I'll be looking over here at the mirror half of the time. Okay, so y'all, I'm done. I applied my lashes. The lashes that I have on are called Jazz. They are from my lash line. Yes, my 3D mink lashes are only $7. So my lip kit is called Annie Lane. So it's like a butter gloss and a liner. It comes in a little kit. I'm waiting for the packaging and everything to get here. But you guys, this is the final look. This is like a simple everyday makeup that I wear every day, like when I do my makeup. And you guys, it was great having this little chit chat. It was great getting some things off my chest. Trust and believe y'all will be seeing more of me all 2019. All 20 motherfucking 19. And I see that this lash is not on all the way right, but I ain't finna do shit but take this motherfucking thing off. And yeah.